Hello students, in this video we will discuss about transformer EMF and motional EMF. So let me start this video. So EMF can be generated in three ways. The first way is if loop is stationary and the magnetic field is time varying. So loop is stationary and in any kind of motion there is not present in the loop, but magnetic field is time varying. So such kind of EMF are called as transformer EMF. And what we studied about the Faraday's law, and we derived this Maxwell equation, and this is also the transformer EMF. Second case is loop is moving in the static or constant magnetic field. So such kind of EMF are called as motional EMF, and they are also called as flux cutting EMF. So when the conducting loop is moving in a stationary magnetic field and EMF is induced in the loop, as we know that force on the moving charge particle is Q into V cross B. So motional electric field EM, it is Fm by Q, and it is V cross B. So the EMF produced in such a way, it is EM dot dl, and the value of EM, it is V cross B. So we will put here V cross B. So V cross B dot dl. So this is the EMF. This is also called as motional EMF. So this is also called as motional EMF. And this kind of EMF is found in electrical machines, motors, generators, attenuators, etc. And the third is moving loop in time varying field. When loop is moving and the field is also time varying, then EMF produced, it is E vector dot dl vector, it is minus of del B over del T dot ds plus circulation of V cross B dot dl, because it will be the sum of transformer EMF. This is transformer EMF, and this is motional EMF. So this will be the sum of these two types of EMF when loop is moving in the time varying field. So thank you for watching the video.